Miltown Malbay has always been home for me. Like, it was all based kind of around Midtown, whether it was football or music. When it came to football, I kind of made a choice of football or music, and I went with music, but I'm still involved with the underage. Being awarded the Gradam Ceol, not just for me, like for the community, is huge. It was like when Midtown won the Jack Daly 2 years ago, you know. It's nice to have positive things to look forward to rather than just negative things. Everyone's excited for it, and there's a good gang heading down. I've been to the Gradam Ceol for the last, I don't know how many years. You know, it's always a great night out, but just seeing the people that have won it in the past, and it's a huge honour for me to get something like this. Because I'm always kind of remembering not just the people that are here, but the people that are gone. Like from Granny and Paddy up to Morsha Rokon, they've had a huge impact on my life. I'm just going to play it for them, like.
An slíor fad ó Ráid na Cathrach, ceoltóir óg na bliana, Liam O'Brien.
Thanks very much. I'd like to say a big thanks to TG Carr. They're doing savage work here, not just the last 2 days, but to get a production like this together does take an awful lot of work. This is a crazy honour for me, you know, to be standing like sharing the stage out the back there with the Castle Kelly band. Like, they're legends, you know, past winners, present winners, future winners, even people that don't win it. It doesn't matter. There's great music out there. I just want to say a big thanks to Noel and all the people I've worked with over the last few years. You're great. I have to give a special mention to my mother. Yeah, she's definitely the biggest influence on my music, and she does a Trojan amount of work back in West Clare. So I think everyone's as delighted for me as for her as they are for me. But yeah, no, thanks to everyone, Dad and all the family. Thanks very much. Great for the support. And I see the gang of boys there and honeys and all, yeah. But no, thanks to everyone. I honest to God, I wouldn't be standing up here if I didn't get to play with the people I get to play with every week. Whether it's the family, the friends, you know, the gang from college is here, even the students, you know, we're all learning every day, and we'll keep on learning. So we'll see you after it, and we'll have an old pint and on the lane.